Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about Unit 20 organ systems in animals. What is organ systems? We have several systems. That system consists of organ. For example, digestive system consists of mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, colon, anus, some digestive glands also, pancreas, liver, okay. Like that muscular system consists of muscles, nervous system, neurons, skeletal system, bones, immune system to fight against the diseases, okay. So, let us see the introduction. Living organisms are evolved from the simplest form to complex level of organization. For example, single cellular organisms, amoeba is there, bacteria is there, okay, very largest organisms, blue whale is there. So, all the organisms evolved from simplest form to complex level. We did not come directly as a man. Our ancestor is monkey. Monkey came from some other ancestor, like that. Cells are the basic fundamental units of an organism. These are grouped to form tissues. What is tissues? Group of cells doing particular function. That is called tissues. The tissues into organs, and the organs form the organ systems, forming the entire organisms. The different organs and organ systems of an organism function by depending on one another with harmonious coordination. When we ride a bicycle, we have to see the road and we have to concentrate in all the area, okay. For example, we need muscles we should use, and skeletal system we should use, okay. That time our cells will work, we need energy, that food is given by our circulatory system. So many systems should coordinate to do one particular function. When we ride a bicycle, our muscular system and skeletal system work together to move our arms, our hands, our legs for steering and legs for pedaling. Our hands are used for steering and legs for pedaling. Our nervous system directs our arms and legs to work simultaneously. Respiratory, digestive and circulatory systems work to provide energy to the muscles. Respiratory system, lungs. Digestive system, this I said, mouth, esophagus, stomach. And circulatory systems, blood, heart, blood vessels, artery, vein, capillaries, we have seen in 8th standard, work to provide energy to the muscles. All the systems work together in coordination to maintain the body in a homeostatic condition. What is homeostatic condition? Constant working condition of an organism. Organ and organ systems have appeared first in the phylum Platyhelminthes, that is what, flatworms, and continues till mammals. Similar groups of cells form tissues like muscle tissue, nervous tissue, etc. Tissues are organized to form organs like heart, brain, etc. Two or more organs together form organ systems and perform common functions like digestion. Digestive system, what is the function? Digest the food. Circulatory system, to circulate the food, circulation. Nerve impulse, that nerves transfer the impulse, very minute voltage of current transferring, impulse transmission in coordination via digestive system, circulatory system, nervous system respectively. Division of labor is found among the various organ systems. In this chapter we shall learn about the structure and function of various organ systems like digestive system, excretory system. Excretory system to excrete waste from our body. Kidney, even lungs also comes under excretory system because it excretes carbon dioxide. Even skin also excretory system because during heavy functioning, sweating is coming, it releases some salt. And reproductive system, male testes that produce the sperm, in female ovary that produce the ovum egg in human beings. Thank you, student.